Hi, I'm Peter from Wham Bam, and we are overjoyed today to tell you about our new product which promotes safety and well-being while using lasers, and those are our laser protective windows for our hot boxes. We have one for the HotBox Mega and one for the original HotBox. You can add these to your existing hot boxes if you have one, or you could purchase a hot box and a laser window and a fixed one on. I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. Let me tell you a little bit more about our filter window. So when we embarked on this project, we tested a multitude of different laser filtering films and protective panels. And we put them on a wonderful Laser B laser measuring device. And 90% of them were totally ineffective of filtering out both visible and non-visible harmful laser light. The version that we finally have discovered and incorporated actually filters out 99.999% of all visible and invisible harmful light. That's the 405 to 455 nanometer range. And that's the range that all the blue light lasers fall under. So you now have a safe option for using a laser on your 3D printer. If you have a laser already or you're planning on mounting one, whether it's through a mutant or to the machine, or even some of those standalone laser cutters that have no protection at all. And you could actually use this with the cover closed with no glasses and be completely safe. So let me show you how it works. Once that you've mounted it to the outside of your current door, you have the option of lifting just the laser window when you're not using it, and therefore using our HotBox as a 3D printer and having a full view, or lifting up both panels together and affixing them to the top when the laser is done etching and you're going to adjust your piece or set it up. On this machine, you can see it's an old CR10 we have retrofitted with a mutant, and we actually put a 40-watt Niju laser on there. And the beauty of this is we're able to remove the laser and put a 3D printing head on there and go right back into 3D printing and switch back and forth. So this system of using the mutant and the laser and having the laser protective panel allows you to seamlessly go between 3D printing and laser cutting and whatever else you like. It flips up, it stays out of the way, and it comes back down again very easily. That's both for the original and the Mega that I just showed you. And super, super easy to use, flips out of the way. They actually both move together should you care to use them as just a single door. All of our hot boxes come with Velcro loop patch at the top because we have thought of the incorporating safety from the very beginning. So you could take one of our cloud personal printer sentries and you can affix it to the top of your hot box, and therefore should anything catch on fire in a dangerous situation and flame was to reach that, it would extinguish the fire before it destroys your house or office. Another advantage of using this whole system is we have vent holes on the top of all the hot boxes. You could put a venting system. We have a full system right here. So once again, we thank you for watching the video. Wham Bam is committed to providing safety and fun and productivity to 3D printing and all crafting. And our laser windows, our cloud, our HotBox all provide that extra level of safety and security that you need while you're printing in your home or your office place. And let us know in the comments if you'd like to see any other variations or how you plan on using it, what machines you would use this on, and how you would mount them. Thank you.